And well, are you a future mom worried about your pregnancy? There's a place you can go for help.
Certainly is. Dr. Andrea Galan, a maternal fetal medicine doctor at Parker Adventist Hospital, is with us this morning. Thanks for coming in early this morning. We appreciate it. Describe how your practice is different from some others we may be more familiar with.
Well, we as perinatologists work very closely with our general obstetrics and gynecology colleagues, basically complementing the great work that they do and focused on high-risk pregnancy conditions and fetal conditions.
Okay.
Okay, so what are some examples of what you do with a fetal ultrasound?
Well, the fetal ultrasound is very useful in different ways. One is that we use it to guide us for certain needle-type procedures like chorionic villus sampling, amniocentesis. In some cases, we do fetal blood transfusions as well. And then the ultrasound also helps us do an anatomic survey of the baby to make sure the baby looks fine.
Yeah, and I've heard there's a 2D ultrasound, a 3D ultrasound. Is the 3D that much better, or are they used in different instances? How's that work?
Great question. And the 2D ultrasound is simply that it's a two-dimensional plane that takes a cut through the baby, and you can assess the baby that way. But with 3D ultrasound, you add a third dimension, thus 3D ultrasound, and we create volumes. And with these volumes, we can manipulate the volumes so that we can see images on the baby, both internally and externally, that we can't otherwise see sometimes with 2D ultrasound.
Okay,
Wow,
good.
So where can people go for this?
Any maternal fetal medicine specialist, we're also called perinatologists, can go. Parker Hospital is one example, Littleton Hospital. My colleagues and I are also located at Boulder and in Greeley, and we're centered at the Entrance Medical Campus.
Okay, so it should be easy accessible for the viewers out there.
Absolutely.
All right, Dr. Galan, thank you for coming in. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much for
Good
inviting me.
information, stuff we didn't know. Thank you. It's now